안녕하세요. Let's read and repeat after me. Shadow this, or listen carefully and repeat after me. Beginner level. Don't hesitate. A person I admire. Good job. Let's start. The person I admire is my grandmother. She is kind, strong, and always helps others. Your turn. Even though she's over 70 years old, she still wakes up early every day. And takes care of the house and garden. When I was younger, she used to tell me stories about her life. And I learned a lot from her experiences. She grew up during a difficult time. But she worked hard and never gave up. My grandmother also taught me how to cook traditional Filipino food. And now I enjoy cooking with her on weekends. What I admire most is her positive attitude. She always smiles and encourages me to do my best. Even when things are hard. Whenever I feel sad or stressed, she listens to me and gives good advice. I hope I can be like her in the future. Strong, caring, and wise. Who is someone you admire and what makes them special to you? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me for more. Thank you. You are doing better each day.